Relational model was designed by E.F. Codd. Any DBMS which follows the relational model becomes RDBMS, or any DBMS which follows the rules of E.F. Codd becomes RDBMS. In relational model, we can store the data in the form of table. That is like here the employee is a entity and attributes are employee ID, employee name, salary, and attributes are also called as the columns and fields. Particular details of employee is known as rows, records, or tuples. The first rule of EF is single value data. The data entered in a particular cell must be single valued. If there are alternatives, then we must insert another column or a attribute. The second rule of EF code, we can store data in a multiple tables by establishing connection between the tables by using key attributes. The third rule of EF code, we store everything in the form of table, including metadata. Metadata, the details about the data is known as metadata. Even the photos we store in the form of table. The fourth rule of EF code is the data entered into the table can be validated in two steps, that is assigning data types or by assigning constraints. Data types are mandatory and the constraints are optional.